We got here because we were willing to take chances.
We've survived 75 years because we've been able to think outside the box and think innovatively.
You can make 100, 200 different things.
The audacity of that entrepreneurship.
We believe in manufacturing.
Manufacturing is the heartbeat of the American economy.
What does L&H do? What don't we do?
It's engineering, it's CNC, it's hydraulics, electronics, pneumatics. Everything you could think of is kind of done and put together under one roof.
We are an industrial distributor. We represent many manufacturers.
If you have rotary or linear motion in a factory, whether you're building something or a product to sell to somebody or using in your own plant, we can help you with that.
Helping out no matter what the job or task is and find a way to do it, no matter what it takes.
Just keeping the lasers running.
I keep track of all inventory, all parts coming in, moving out.
I'm cutting down parts that we're putting together to build whatever the customer wants.
We have over 800 suppliers and some of the best in the world at what they do.
Parker Hannifin,
Rexroth,
Mitsubishi,
Bosch.
I describe our marketplace as an inch deep and a mile wide.
From processing chickens to building attack class submarines.
We put it on railroad equipment, we put it in forestry equipment. I mean, mining equipment.
Automotive, agriculture, steel making, food production, military, parks and services, roadways, infrastructure.
Trash cans and forks.
Optics lab at a university.
Automotive, the beverage, food and packaging areas.
Our salespeople go out and they learn about the manufacturing process, and through that they can see opportunities for improvement. And we can provide solutions that allow the owners to sleep at night.
Innovation here starts at the very top. I mean, they're not afraid to try something, which I really respect them for. BMW,
Nucor,
Volkswagen,
Boeing,
Kia.
All our customers are everywhere, really.
The heart of our company is innovation. MRO Stop sells similar products, industrial distribution, factory automation, things like that, but it's entirely online. At the time, I don't think that many people in the company thought it was a great idea to sell highly engineered products online. Now, a lot of our peers thought we were kind of crazy, but it turns out that there were really a lot of customers that were okay buying the products that we sold, over the internet, and so it's been a very successful venture.
Manufacturing is the basis of what this country was about and is about and what will be about as we move into the future.
We've been talking about the need for manufacturing probably before it was cool.
You have to have manufacturing to defend yourself. I've asked our people 25 years ago, we have to keep manufacturing in America.
Our role in manufacturing is really to enable our customers to do what they do better, faster, cheaper, more flexibly.
L&H has always been a forward-looking company that embraces learning, technology, and new ways of doing things.
The company was started in 1947.
I came to work for the company in 1966, the day after Clifton was born.
My grandfather actually retired and came and joined the company as well. 3 generations of us so far have been through the company. Now my sons are starting to work here some. They're still in high school, but maybe 4 generations will actually make it through the company, which will be exciting. Growing up in the Depression as my grandfather, my father did, it put a sharp point on the need to be successful and to work hard and to be creative and find new ways to be successful. So I think that's been instilled in me as well, and I carry that message forward.
My dad instilled that in me growing up. That was one of the goals I should have in life, to do something of value and to make a difference with my life.
Back when you started, you given a set of keys, a car, a box of catalogs, see you later, don't show up till you get rid of everything. Today it's much more formal, but it's still people.
I spent 20 years in a band and raised money for terminally ill and handicapped kids. This gave me the sense of giving, right, and a charitable mentality. I was using my talents to raise money for terminally ill kids. I brought that idea back to the company and I thought, what talents do we have here that people need around this planet that don't have access to us? And that's kind of how this idea of going to Africa came up.
We've been in Africa for about 6 years now, in Tanzania, near Lake Victoria. The ladies there would walk 5 miles to get water every day. We built a system that's run on solar, and it has 2,000-gallon tanks. And today, they can walk 50 yards and get water anytime they want to.
We get to go to these places and provide renewable energy to give them electricity, give them light, give them television, give them the ability to recharge their cell phone.
"17 years ago, I realized something, that part of our problem was not in manufacturing, part of our problem was in education. And that brought me into the school systems. I helped start the Academy of Engineering there at Olympic High School. And today we are exposing kids to manufacturing.
Clifton came to me and said, "Hey, I heard your son is old enough and can intern, why don't you bring him in?"
I've always wanted to work in more of this type of place, like where you're hands-on.
I'm an intern at the warehouse in here. My dad is like the CEO of the company. Everyone just compares me to my dad, which is very strange. I'm not used to that. I'm not the guy that knows all the stuff. I just do what I'm told. Yeah, it's been fun. I mean, I like the money.
They're setting the standard of what it means to be a public-private partnership. The students learn to advocate for themselves by applying the design process and focus on developing real solutions. That's where you see students engaged.
It's very exciting for them to come home and say, "Look what I made today."
I always say your mind is like a parachute. It works best when it's open.
My name is Logan Mayberry. I'm an intern at Livingston Haven. I am a rising senior and I go to Olympic High School. I'm also on TRX 4935 robotics team. I'm part of coding. We're also reverse engineering a solar panel and solar streetlight. We're getting the opportunity to explore.
My name is Benjamin Chauncey. It's giving us as students more exposure and accessibility to these softwares and the way that we can actually use these softwares to create our own projects.
Young people are naturally passionate. If you can find that passion and connect them to it, just get out of the way and watch what happens.
The real future is about our people. We all have a voice in this, and investing in our people is what's going to make the future of Livingston Haven for the next 75 years.
And I think the future of where we're going with the artificial intelligence and the robotics and developing some automated processes and things like that are really going to make a big impact on the things we do day to day, both for ourselves and for, like I said, our customers as well.
I think one of the things that we are really proud of is that we're a family company and we treat everyone as if they are family.
They are unlike any owners that I've ever met, and there's not a day of the week that one of them is not walking through and personally greeting all of our employees.
It's all about being happy, and I was happy since the first day I walked in the place.
As a whole, what we do as a company is so unique in this people relationship.
I noticed it the first day, and I knew it was a place I wanted to spend the rest of my career at.
It felt good to be seen and known, not by your badge number or your clock-in number, but them to know who you are.
The owners, managers, everyone is out on the floor, helping everybody, asking you how your day is.
It's also how the vans run this company.
There's these instilled morals and ethics that are within the company that is very, very special and unique.
The people, the vans, it's all the relationships, all the friendships.
You really have a sense of unity.
I get to work with these wonderful people. I mean, it truly is like a family.
As a very family oriented company, somewhere with a lot of upward growth potential.
We got your back, and that starts with the Van family.
One of the most important things in business is that you have more concern about the people that work with you than you do yourself.
The company's here for you.
I love the camaraderie.
Put a lot of effort into making sure everybody feels at home.
We're very intentional about finding the right people that'll fit in our family.
You always need to support, encourage, and take care of your associates. If you do that, they'll take care of you.
36 years.
39 years.
14 years.
18 years.
8 years.
8 years.
20 years.
12 years.
4 years.
10 años.
Almost 31 years.
22 years.
53 years. And counting.
I don't think there's any limit to what we can do.